Like New York City, the internet never sleeps. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and 366 days on occasion. Either way, it's important for a site and its content to be available anytime, all the time. Keeping a network up and running is a big job, and one that every company has to take seriously.
In a world of high technology and quick-paced innovation, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The Internet has completely redefined how we do business, especially in terms of the speed at which we do it. To succeed in today's highly competitive environment, more companies are coming to understand just how important it is to have the kind of Internet infrastructure that's both fast and reliable. And now, broadband technology is on the threshold of creating yet another information revolution.
It's the Internet moving at the speed of light, and it represents a huge opportunity for both consumers and companies here in the 21st century.
According to recent research, over 1/3 of all the U.S. online households are expected to have a high-speed Internet connection by the year 2005. However, utilizing the advantages of this fast lane on the information superhighway isn't always easy. While many of the components for rich streaming media are already out there, the trouble is in assembling and maintaining complex infrastructure to deliver them. Currently, a growing number of businesses are facing a serious crunch. They're finding that in order to deliver their content online, they have to employ a virtual team of experts in areas like network technology and data storage. And for every person they hire to handle the nuts and bolts of high-speed delivery, that's one less person they can bring on in their creative department. Recently, a number of organizations have decided to tackle this problem by focusing on their creative resources inside the company, while turning to the outside for the technical know-how. Here in San Jose, California, a company called NonstopNet is helping entertainment and cutting-edge commerce companies deploy and maintain the kind of Internet infrastructure that's critical to success in today's high-speed market. By providing an advanced end-to-end Internet infrastructure, NonstopNet is helping companies focus on their core business, developing compelling rich media content.
NonstopNet helps rich media customers deliver a great Internet experience to their viewers by providing a high-speed private network, content storage and delivery, and a robust management system that helps our partners deliver everything to their customers that they need.
Partnering with NonstopNet has allowed me to achieve my one main goal, which is give my audience the highest quality entertainment equal to that of television. They have an incredibly complex, highly available network infrastructure and have the management to run it.
Companies that can't provide a seamless delivery of their web content to their users are in a very real sense putting their business at risk.
As more and more new economy companies are being held to old economy standards of profitability, it's becoming critical to manage all your resources, creative, technical, and otherwise, as efficiently as possible. RoofingFor.com, I'm Corey James.